Imagine a smartphone so compact it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so smart it can handle your digital life. Meet the HMD Touch 4G, a bold nod to the past with a touch of the future. Set to launch this October 9th, the HMD Touch 4G is turning heads with its nostalgic Nokia Lumia-inspired design. With a petite 3.2-inch touchscreen, it's tiny, yes, but that doesn't mean it compromises on connectivity. LTE support ensures fast browsing and seamless communication wherever you go. The Touch 4G's design is a throwback to classic Lumia phones, featuring generously sized bezels that house a selfie camera, speaker, and home button. Its bold, vibrant colors, turquoise and dark blue, stand out, while the transparent packaging brings back memories of the iconic Apple iPod Nano. Inside the box, HMD includes everything you need: a charger, cable, and a clear protective case. A thoughtful touch for a feature phone that combines nostalgia with modern practicality. Unlike typical smartphones, the Touch 4G isn't running full Android. Instead, it offers essential cloud apps, limited Google services, and even contactless payment support, perfect for users who want smart features without the complexity. Despite its retro charm, the Touch 4G keeps you connected with Wi-Fi and group chat capabilities, bridging the gap between classic simplicity and today's digital lifestyle. While the details on the rear camera, processor, and display remain under wraps, HMD Global has confirmed the European launch, building excitement for a device that's as functional as it is unique. The HMD Touch 4G is more than just a phone. It's a statement. Compact, stylish, and surprisingly capable, it's a tribute to the past while embracing the essentials of today's digital world. Could this be the perfect companion for those craving simplicity without sacrificing connectivity? Stay tuned for the official launch on October 9th, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the most intriguing devices of the year.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.